So you've made the decision to sell your property within the next year or so. And of course, looking to get more value for your property, you're looking around thinking, what can I do to make this happen? Well, I'm going to address 5 areas in the home that you can upgrade that without an interior designer or a contractor, you can do yourself on a modest budget. Let's go. So this is my favorite list of items to tackle in the home. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments below, or you can share them directly with me. So you only get one chance to make a first impression. So curb appeal is very important. Item number 1, plant trees that are drought resistant and can handle year-round weather. This way they're easier to maintain and it makes the property balanced in terms of colors and textures. Item number 2, trim back the grass from the driveway as well as the sidewalk. And lastly, number 3, pressure wash the driveway to clean it up and to give it that uniform color. You guessed it, we're in the kitchen. So the first thing you're going to take care of, if you can, is hitting up those cabinets. You want to pick a nice neutral color, be it a beige or a white, and it's definitely going to change the entire feel of the kitchen. Followed by the hardware on the drawers as well as the cabinets with a nice modern look. It is a simple way to clean things up. Next, you can replace the faucet, which also draws a lot of attention. If you want to get a larger one or one of the automated ones or a stylish one, it definitely changes the feel and the vibe within the kitchen. If you happen to have a kitchen island with a sink or you have a dining room eating kitchen area, definitely consider putting in a stylish, chic lighting fixture that will also set the tone throughout the kitchen. Lastly, before we move on, is to consider changing out the backsplash. There are budget-friendly options like subway tiles and or peel and stick options that you grow out later that can definitely tie all the different elements you've brought into it together. We're off to the bathrooms. So, number 1, paint. Pick again another nice neutral color unless there's a theme involved, or even put up an accent wall. Item number 2, clean out the grout lines for the tile. Definitely a great way to brighten the place and make it feel newer and or renovated. Number 3, the light fixture. Again, sets the tone just like it did in the kitchen. We're doing the same thing in the bathroom. Number 4, change the light fixture. Let's change the faucet as well. And number 5, redoing the silicone that goes around the tub. Nice bright color, nice bright white, definitely makes the tub look cleaner. Now that we've left the high impact zones of the kitchen and the bathroom, let's consider a general rule for all the remaining rooms. Essentially, number 1, we want a nice bright color in each room. So if you can paint it a brighter neutral tone, fantastic. It provides more space and it feels more open, along with using vertical blinds rather than horizontal, and using sheer fabrics as necessary, those that allow some light through yet maintaining your privacy. And last on this list of 5 is, of course, mirrors. Mirrors are always a great way to add depth in even the smallest room to change the impression or to expand the impression that a potential buyer may have of that room. In summary, 6 to 12 months is a great timeline for you to be able to accomplish a lot of these tasks. Beyond just upgrading the house, you're also going to be looking at other properties potentially and dealing with other of life's events as it goes along the way. Furthermore, it allows you to distribute the cost of these projects over a longer period of time. Again, we start off with some curb appeal, make it nice and neat, and then as they come in, you're definitely going to have people focusing on the kitchen and the bathroom to give it attention, and that each individual room has nice, bright spaces that are open and welcoming. For more suggestions, please contact me at 416-660-3269. Until the next episode, talk to you soon.